Boys, hello boys.
Yes, sir.
In the last class, you learned changing sentence or transformation of sentences. Okay?
Yes, sir.
What are two most important rules you have learned? Now you are going to learn some more important rules today, inshallah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's start now. Let me first share the screen. Okay. My first rule today, this is the first rule. Look at this sentence structure. In first comes in the simple sentence. In the simple sentence, in. Usually we know that a simple sentence begins with a preposition, with a preposition. So this very sentence starts with preposition in plus month, name of any month, name of the year, name of any season. Understand? And the complex begins with when. Complex begins with when. This is the compound form.
Sir.
Yes.
So I cannot understand simple.
Okay, you will understand now when I write the sentence. In plus month, oblique year plus oblique year, oblique season, etc. For example, in 1971, in 1971, okay, this is the beginning. You know, this is the beginning of the simple sentence. In plus any year, any season, any month, etc. In 1970. Now you have to write the main sentence, the main clause, the principal clause. Bangladesh became independent. Bangladesh became independent. Okay. I hope that you have understood this very sentence that Bangladesh became independent in 1971. Do you get my point now? Hello. Nazimuddin 9B. Nazimuddin. Nazim 9B 12190. Okay. Can you hear me clearly?
Hello.
Okay. Can you?
Ji sir.
Okay. And Al Fatir.
Hello.
Al Fatir. Al Fatir, can you hear me? Sharnab.
স্যার আলফাতে স্যার পিসিতে আছে স্যার এই জন্য মনে হয় কথা বলতে
স্যার শোনা
পারতেছে না।
যাচ্ছে স্যার। জি স্যার শোনা যাচ্ছে।
Okay. Look at this very sentence. This is the simple sentence. Okay. In 1971, Bangladesh became independent. Simple. How to make it complex? How how does the complex sentence starts? Look, I am highlighting the very subordinating conjunction when. It is when. Okay. When it was. It is past. This year is past now. When it was 1971, comma. Bangladesh became independent. As a complex sentence consists of two clauses, one is subordinate clause and the other is the principal clause. So
Principal clause.
we have made, there is the principal clause. Bangladesh became independent, and now we have made a subordinate clause. So one principal
1971,
is already
Bangladesh
there, and we have made our subordinate clause.
become independent.
So now this is a complex sentence, a complete complex sentence.
When it was 1971, Bangladesh become independent.
Okay. We can also write this sentence in another way. In another way, just we will write when after 1971. Okay, it was 1971 when when Bangladesh became independent. Do you get my point? This is the complex sentence. Now compound. How to write the compound? Just we have to remove, we have to delete when. Okay, we have to remove when, and in place of when we have to write the conjunction and. It plus to be verb plus month, year, season, etc. plus and. It was 1971. That means the time was 1971, and at that time Bangladesh became independent. And Bangladesh became independent. Okay, so these are the three sentences: simple, complex, and compound. And the example sentence was which begins with a preposition plus name of a month, name of a year, name of a season. Have you understood this sentence structure? Muaz Helal,
Sir.
have you understood this sentence structure?
Yes, sir.
A very simple sentence now begins with a preposition in plus name of a year, name of a month, name of a season plus principal clause. And how do we form the complex sentence structure? First we take the subordinating conjunction when plus it plus, as it is the past tense, so it is of course was, plus the name of the year. So when it was 1971. Okay, we can write when it was 1971 in another way. Okay, it was 1971 when Bangladesh became independent. And compound is the very first clause you have to write, and in place of when, just write conjunction and. That means it was 1971 and Bangladesh became independent. Do you get my point now, all of you? Peniel and others?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have understood.
Okay, then let me give you a practice sentence. Do it now. It is winter. Sorry. In winter, the cuckoo comes to our country. Change this sentence into complex and compound. All of you write this sentence in your exercise book. Are you doing now, boys? Are you doing now?
Sir, I have done.
Ji sir, ji sir.
Okay.
So done.
Good. Redwan Radit. Redwan Radit.
Ji sir.
Okay. Could you finish?
Ji sir.
Tahmid 8096.
Sir, I am writing the compound one right now, sir.
Where is Fayaz today? Why is he absent?
Sir, Fayaz is facing some internet problem because of the rain yesterday.
He is always having the problem.
So he is a problem boy, sir. So I have done.
Okay. Okay, you tell me the answer and I am writing. Let's start.
So it is, sir, complex টা হচ্ছে sir, it is winter wherein
Is, thank
cuckoo
you.
come.
Right. It is winter
When cuckoo comes to our country.
cuckoo comes to
our country.
our country. Thank you. Hello, all others. Look at this very sentence. It is winter when the cuckoo comes to our country, or when it is winter, the cuckoo comes to our country. Even we can write the sentence in this way. The cuckoo comes to our country when it is winter. When it is winter. Do we get my point? That means the very
Yes, sir.
subordinate conjunction can be written later. Okay. Now compound. Compound. Tell me the compound. Can
So
anybody?
it is winter. So it is winter and cuckoo
Winter?
comes to our country.
Okay. And the cuckoo comes to our country. Now, let me go back to the first sentence once again. In 1971, who is talking? Who is talking? In 1971 can be written at the end of the sentence. Understand? Because this is a prepositional phrase. So sometimes we may get it at the end of the sentence. Look, Bangladesh became independent in 1971. It is better than the first one, than the previous one. Understand me? But when you start the complex sentence, you may start like this: when it was 1971, or it was 1971 when Bangladesh became independent. Do you get my point? Or you may write Bangladesh became independent when it was 1971. That means the subordinate clause can be written in the beginning. Bangladesh Do you get my point now? It
Yes,
was
sir. Yes, sir.
and the compound will not be changed. Okay, now simple. You change this simple sentence structure like the first one, like the previous one. Okay, Bangladesh became independent in 1971. So how can we write this simple sentence in another way? Tell me, what is the other way? This preposition can be written at the end of the sentence. Understand? That means the cuckoo comes to our country in winter. In winter.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম রাহমাতুল্লাহ।
স্যার সরি স্যার, নেটের সমস্যা ছিল তো স্যার, জয়েন করতে সমস্যা হচ্ছে।
So no, it is the other sentence. In winter, the cuckoo comes to our country can be written in other way.
আচ্ছা, পেনিয়াল একটু মাইকটা অফ রাখ।
Ariel, okay, look at this sentence. In winter, the cuckoo comes to our country is the same as the cuckoo comes to our country in winter. Our answer, our complex answer will be same. Understand? It is winter when the cuckoo comes to our country. This winter when the cuckoo comes to our country, and compound will not be changed. Clear now? This structure. Hello, Ragib Shahriar.
স্যার ক্লিয়ার স্যার।
Okay, I am going to give the last sentence for practice. Simple. Okay, Aryan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when were you born? Which year were you born? Answer me this question in a complete sentence, in a full sentence. Tell me how to start. When were you born? So how do you say?
স্যার বুঝতে পারলাম না।
Peniel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When were you born?
When were you born?
answer me this question. Suppose I asked you this very question.
I born in
2005.
Dhaka.
I born, or I was born.
I was born in Dhaka.
Right. I said when, not where. Not where. I was born in.
Born in Dhaka.
No. Which year?
Sir, 2005, sir,
I was
2005.
born in
बेचारा service करा था,
2004.
sir.
2004. Okay. Now.
Penny.
Don't laugh.
যে এতক্ষণে বুঝলি তেলে
Okay. Now change it into complex and compound. Okay. I was born in 2004.
so it was 2004
No,
when I
don't
was
tell me. Don't tell me. I see you know the answer. But what about the others? Let all others try it. Takin, you have been very late today.
Sir,
Red one. Okay.
sir done.
Okay, yes. Okay. Alif, any problem? Okay, Alif, have you finished writing the answer?
Hello, sir.
Okay. Tell me this answer.
Complex.
Yes, complex.
It was in 2004
In
when
2000
I was born.
in 2004, when I was born, did I teach you this rule?
It
Nah,
was
it is it was 2004
Okay.
when I
It
was born,
was 2004.
or when I was born.
Right. It was 2004 when I was born. Compound. Compound.
Um,
Compound. Who can tell
it
me the
is
compound? It was
2004 and
2004 and I was born.
I was
right.
born.
Thank you. Thank you.
এটা দুঃখের কথা
Okay. Now I am going to give you a complex sentence. You have to change it into simple only. Okay. The complex sentence.
জি স্যার
Complex. When it is summer, when it is summer, is very hot in our country. Okay. Now change it into complex, simple and compound.
In summer it was very hot.
No, don't say.
Yeah.
Let all others try.
এসি চালানো লাগবে।
স্যার যে বেরি দুইটা হয়ে ভেরি হট দুইটা হয়েছে।
Sorry. Okay, I have deleted it now.
স্যার ডান।
Okay. Okay, tell me the simple one.
In summer it is very hot in our country.
Okay, in another way, it is very hot in our country in summer.
It is very hot in your country in summer.
Right.
In summer, হ্যাঁ।
Okay, so it is very hot in our country in summer. Summer is the name of a season in Bangladesh. Okay. The compound.
In when it is summer and it was
When it
very
is
hot
summer, when is always in the compound in the complex sentence. Okay.
So it is summer when
Summer
it is summer and
it is very hot.
it is very hot in
summer
our
and it
country.
is very hot in our
Right.
country.
Right. Thank you. So the complex was when it is summer. It is.
It was.
Very
It is very hot.
It is. Don't change it into past tense because it is in the present form. Okay. It is very hot in our country in summer. So when it is summer, it is very hot in our country.
Sir, compound হবে when it is summer.
Okay. When it is no. The complex only begins with subordinate conjunction
When.
when. Okay.
Sir,
He will never
it is summer.
summer. এখন গ্রীষ্মকাল.
It is summer and it is very hot.
And it is very hot.
In our country.
No.
It is hot, very hot.
Very hot.
Summer and it is very hot in our country.
Country. Yes.
Clear now? Okay, I am giving
Yes, sir.
you a compound sentence now. You have to change it into simple and complex. It is winter and it is very cold in our country.
Yes, sir.
Now, I want simple and complex.
Sir, done.
Okay. There were 19 students and now at the end of the class, I see only 15 are present.
Sir, done, sir.
Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Okay. Nafis Ahmed, could you do? Nafis. Hello, Nafis. Nafis.
So Nafis is whom?
Nafis Ahmed. Nafis Ahmed. So what is the simple sentence?
It was very cold in our country in
No.
winter. It is
It
very
is
cold
very
No.
in our country in winter.
Simple always begins with
In winter,
Right.
Oh,
in winter, it is very cold in our country.
Thank you.
স্যার এর আগেরটা স্যার যে সিম্পল করলাম স্যার ইট ইজ ভেরি হট ইন আওয়ার কান্ট্রি ইন সামার এটার সাথে লিখি ছিল
Structure same. In summer it is hot.
sir.
In
It is
winter
very cold
In
in our
summer.
country in winter.
Okay.
It is very cold in our country in winter. Sir, এরকম হবে না?
No.
Simple sentence.
When it is
Right.
winter, it is cold in our country.
Thank
আরে স্যার
you.
সিম্পল এর কথা বলছি।
স্যার সিম্পলটা স্যার
Oh, sorry.
Simple
Simple
is winter.